Now, as I do YouTube, I want you guys to carefully note how these branches are wanting to grow back towards the ground on a lot of these trees. You see that branch? You're going to see it with a lot of trees right now. See how the trees are arching over? See the blight at the top of the trees? I'm going to walk over. Not to mention a dry summer. This is these data centers and your 5G microwave radiation. You see, it's a low-level radiation. It's killing everything. Now, for the rocket scientist I am, I'll stick to engines. But I'll tell you, all over there, I have firewood for the next 10 years. Maybe, only figuratively, joking. But it's literally killing. The trees are dying out. That's a fairly young tree. Dead. Dying. Dead. This is what microwave radiation does to trees. Now, where they're in the shade and shaded by other trees, they're not diseased. Because a lot of them, they want to make you believe the insects came first that are killing these trees. No. Not to mention my sanitary neighbors. We're not going to talk about that. All through here. These trees are snapping like matchsticks in the high wind. Whenever we get winds, and I'm not even talking real, we only get on the higher plains here 40-mile-an-hour gusts. But I want you to think about that. And I want you to look up the effects where they tell you that low-level radiation, microwave radiation, isn't harmful. Any radiation is harmful. Here's your proof, folks. Thanks for watching my videos. I stayed behind the camera for this one. Just look at how those trees, they're all dying out, top down. Go figure. They're going to tell you, I don't know anything. Say no to the data centers because they rammed it home here. Everybody voted against it. That tells you how corrupt they are. Remember what I told you about the moral compass? It's lucky they can find their fucking car in a parking lot. Thanks for watching my videos.